quick video overview for 9 for those of you having issues. So for the first one, you're literally going to just analyze these word problems and figure out where they go. So this one says drag and place a purple dot on the scatter plot to show where approximately 20 miles would be. So if you go to 20 and go up, I would probably put it right about there. Make sure you pay attention to the question though, because the red one says a prediction for someone who spends $45 a week on gas. So that's the Y column. So go to 45 and go across. So I'd put it right about there, and so on and so forth. For the next one, you're just doing estimations based off of the pattern. So for the first one, it says if X is 9, what is Y? So go to where X is 9 and go up. So I would approximate it like maybe 35 or so. So I would say 32 is probably your best answer choice. You can also, and then it'll say when Y is 15. So make sure you pay attention to the variable. So Y is 15 is here. So you go across, that would be somewhere maybe in the 15 to 21 range. Therefore 18 is probably your best choice. So again, for the second one, again, if X is 2, so go to X is 2, what is Y? So I would say around 12 to 14. So 13 is an answer choice, so that's probably your best one. And then Y is 17, so go to where Y is 17 and go over. So I would say somewhere in the 5, 6 range. So 5 would be probably a great choice. On the next one, we're just going to use the graph to estimate some things. So it says if a tree is 4 years old, which is the best prediction of the height. So go to 4 and go up. I would put it probably right around the 6 range, or maybe even up to 7. So I'd say 7 is your best choice. This one says if a tree is 10 feet tall, how old might it be? So 10 feet tall is over here. So I would go over here. I would say 8. So that's probably your best choice. And then it says if a tree is 6 years old, which is not a reasonable expectation. So 6, I would say somewhere in the 7 to 8 range. Therefore, 9 could be it, but 5 would be way too low. So 5 is definitely the wrong choice. And for this one, these are like patterns. So when X is 9, Y is 9. So if X is 9, Y is 9. Is that in the chart? No. If X is 9, so here-ish, Y is 9, definitely not. X is 9, Y is 9. That one's a maybe, but if you go to this last one, X is 9, Y is 9, is definitely the best choice. So you're just kind of matching those with those graphs. And then the exit ticket over this one, I think is pretty straightforward. There's a question just like the one with the trees. Again, plugging these in. These are not tricky at all.